With Canvas, you can customize the courses you can see in your dashboard by going to the Courses button, and then you can choose all of your courses. You put a star next to the courses that you want to view in your dashboard. And when you go then to the dashboard, all of those courses will be visible. I want to show you briefly how the courses are designed. You can see this is an elementary classroom, and the tigers, very youthful, and the icons are very easy for the students to follow. You'll see in the higher level classes, this is an example of a 7th grade student. Their classes have a little bit more mature of a tiger, and as you can see, they have more text because those grade levels, the students are better readers. Here's an example of a mid-level course, 3rd grade, so you have readers, but there's not as much text. That's how the courses are designed, that they're all very similar with the banner they use, and the layout is designed for the age-appropriate student.